Hello, it is nice to be back. I recently got a client who wanted his own Merkava tank with a diorama built around it. He wanted a Lebanon War 1982 theme. I am just going to summarize the build because there is nothing really new to it. To those who have seen my previous builds, there is nothing new here really, just the same steps and the usual materials that I have been using. The diorama is just a simple building with some surface damages and with the tank traversing a road with some Israel Paratrooper figures alongside. Started the build with the dragon figures, sanded the seam lines and attached the parts piece by piece. There was no figure modification done here, just the original figure poses used here. Here is the building structure partly built together already. This is made with Sintra board almost entirely with some corrugated cardboard to serve as the drop-down shop door lock. I only sparingly used an XPS styro for the upper beam. The Sintra board is my go-to alternative if I don't have enough XPS styrofoam for my structures, houses, or edifice. It is a very versatile art material which is easy to shape and cut. The Sintra board has a very smooth surface. In order for me to replicate at least some semblance of concrete surface or texture, I apply plaster. For my base, I normally use a 3/4 marine plywood. I then place the styrofoam which serves as my ground piece for the diorama on top of it. Here, I apply a material similar to Sculptamold as groundwork or earth base. While the groundwork is still soft and wet, this is the best time to place some debris, rocks, woods, and other materials that would replicate battle-torn landscape, destroyed concrete, litter, or garbage, and more. Once the applied plaster on the Sintra board surface has dried, this is the best time to sand and make a fine surface finish. I recently bought this fine zero-point paintbrush from Japan, and am so excited to use this on the figure painting. I noticed that some Vallejo acrylic paints have a tendency to have a glossy finish, but there is nothing like a quick, flat, clear coat spray to help solve it. In this Israeli Paratrooper figure paint scheme, there may be some debate as to the correct green shade or hue of the overall uniform used in the Lebanon War 1982. I went over several reference pictures on the web, and this is what came out of it. To those who are more familiar with the actual uniform color scheme, we would appreciate if you could provide more insights or feedback on the comments section below. We would be more than glad for your knowledge. And here is my usual groundwork paint steps, starting off by painting the whole ground with acrylic black paint to unify all the elements. After which, I airbrush and hand brush earth colors to it.
To upgrade your mattress, the best way to know if it's right for you is to sleep on it.
And this ends my quick video of my simple diorama commission build for a Merkava tank built by my client. I will be sharing with you guys my next project on the Space Shuttle Discovery launch pad build in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.